Hello and welcome back. My name is Jasper Azanki, and today I'll be illustrating and explaining experiments that show the factors affecting the absorption of thermal radiation. Thermal radiation is a type of heat transfer that happens through waves of energy, mainly infrared waves. Unlike conduction or convection, radiation does not need air, water, or any material to move heat. It can travel through any space. Now, you may be wondering, what are these factors that affect the absorption of this thermal radiation? Well, in this video, you will see how color, surface texture, and surface area affect how much radiation a surface absorbs. The first factor is color and absorption. For the experiment, take two identical colors, one being black and one being white. Place them at the same distance under the same light source. The black sheet will become warmer faster, and this happens because dark colors absorb more radiation. Black surfaces take in most of the light energy and convert it into heat, while white surfaces reflect most of the radiation away, meaning they absorb less. Ultimately, this shows that color is an important factor in radiation absorption. The second factor is surface texture. Take two surfaces, a shiny one and a dull one, and place them under the same radiant heat source. The dull surface warms more than the shiny surface. This is due to the fact that shiny surfaces reflect most of the radiation away, meaning that they won't absorb as much heat. Dull surfaces, on the other hand, absorb radiation instead of reflecting it. Ultimately, this shows that surface texture also affects absorption. The last factor is surface area. In this experiment, take two objects, with one of them having more of a surface area than the other. Expose both of these objects to the same radiation source. The one with more surface area will absorb heat faster because more of its surface was exposed to radiation. This ultimately shows that increasing the exposed surface area also increases the absorption of radiation. Now, let's see how we can apply this knowledge to our everyday lives. First, we have solar panels. They are painted black so they can absorb as much radiation as possible. Another thing is the white roof and walls. These are painted white so that in hot places they can reflect as much radiation as possible to keep people and buildings cool. The last thing is car interiors and dashboards. These are made dark and dull so they do not cause any glare and can handle heat better. In conclusion, the absorption of thermal radiation heavily depends on color, surface texture, and surface area. Dark and dull materials absorb more radiation, while light and shiny materials absorb